They get past the intro of the movie, like the guy runs into it, he disappears, then we cut to now a woman, a mom, and a daughter now standing outside, and they're like looking down, and then you see a house being demolished. And then they show a white lady, which I believe is the lady in the poster. She's standing there and she's just staring, looking, trying to figure out. She's just standing there staring, looking. I'm assuming they're demolishing the old house that she used to live in. And that was her as a child and her mom when I see this scene.